Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Sarah binti Muhammad Azlan. I would like to present my proposal. The title is Comparative Efficiency of Estrus Synchronization between Modified Herbs and SIDA in Cattle. For introduction, in research background, the self-sufficiency level for ruminants is still less than 30% because of higher demand than the supply by local producers. Next, SIDA has disadvantages in using it, such as skill, experience, labor lead to high cost. If doing it in wrong skill, it may be a problem to the cattle. The modified herb is an alternative method in replacing the SIDA. Before this, the modified herbs is used to goat and it's worth it. Next, we will use to cattle to see the effectiveness of these modified herbs. For the problem statement, poor breeding management because of SIDA need skill and experienced person. Sometimes the local farmer cannot afford due to high cost to hire the experienced person. Next, the vulva of cattle can get irritation from doing the SIDA because the wrong technique. The next hypothesis, H-null, is the efficiency of modified herbs is similar to control internal drug release in goats. For the H alternate, the efficiency of modified herbs is similar to control internal drug release in cattle. The objective of this study is to compare the different volume of modified herbs for cattle estrus synchronization. Next, to observe the effectiveness of modified herb in cattle estrus synchronization. The scope of study is to identifying the efficiency of modified herbs in inducing estrus and fertility compared to SIDA in animals. Next, the pregnancy of cattle after insertion of SIDA and given of modified herbs. Lastly, the data collection of pregnancy diagnosis by doing the rectal palpation. The significance of study is to observe the effectiveness of the modified herbs in estrus synchronization. Next, to compare the different dosage of the modified herbs for estrus synchronization in cattle. Lastly, the modified herbs is easy to find and lower cost in Malaysia for a farmer to give easier to the cattle. For the literature review, estrus synchronization sign have two signs, which is primary and secondary. In primary sign, cow start sniff the vulva of other cow and rest her chin on the back of others. In secondary sign, vulva swelling and reddening. And controlled internal drug release or SIDA. The SIDA contains progesterone. It's created as a T-shaped nylon spin molded with a silicone rubber skin. At the vulva of cattle, the SIDA that has been inserted is ejected, and the treatment period will be done by pulling the plastic tail that protrudes. In modified herbs, we use 3 ingredients, which is zingiber officinale, pepernagerum, and cinnamomum verum. In pregnancy diagnosis, in rectal palpation can be done after 45 days, but we will do it after 2 months of AI. And then for blood analysis can be done at days 25 to 28. The blood analysis usually can give a accurate result. And then ultrasound can be done after 40 to 70 days after AI. For materials and method, in materials we use SIDA intravaginal device, powder herbs, and roller tape is used for weight the cattle. And then for methods, firstly, 12 of cattle will be prepared with the age of the cattle range from 2 to 5 years old, and the weight of the cattle must be approximate. Next, the cattle will be divided into 3 groups, which is control, SIDA, and modified herbs. Next, estrus synchronization sign will be observed every day after giving the SIDA and modified herbs. Next, the artificial insemination will be done to all the cattle that on heat. Next, after 2 months of doing AI, all cattle will undergo pregnancy diagnosis, which is rectal palpation. The rectal palpation will be done by skilled and experienced person to avoid abortion. Lastly, the result of pregnancy will be recorded to see the effectiveness of modified herbs to the cattle. That's all from me. Thank you.